Hi y'all, today we're going to be making porcupine meatballs. For this we have a pound of ground beef. Well, I have elk, but you can use beef. I just happen to have a pound of ground elk. So then we also have some rice, some black pepper, oregano, basil, Italian seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, garlic, salt, garlic powder, onion, and some tomato paste. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to cooking. Alright, we got one small onion. First things first, we're going to go ahead and dice this up. Now, we're going to go ahead and bring in a mixing bowl. Put our onion in there. Pound of our ground beef, or like I said, I'm using elk. We're going to take half a cup of uncooked rice, half a cup of water, a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to go ahead and get a hand dirty because we're going to start mixing this up. And now we're going to go ahead and move over to our stove. Alright, so in a cast iron skillet, we've gone ahead and put some oil on the bottom just to kind of coat it. We're going to put this on a medium-high heat. And then we're going to start shaping some meatballs. I'm going a little bit bigger than golf ball size. Now we're going to go ahead and cook these until we get a good sear on every side. Okay, while those are cooking, we're going to go ahead and take a 12-ounce can of tomato paste. Go ahead, we're going to fill this can with water. We're going to do 1 can of water. And while we're doing this, we're going to want to keep an eye on our meatballs because we'll have to flip them at some point. So go ahead and do that. To this, we're going to add a tablespoon of our Italian seasoning. We're going to add a tablespoon of basil. And a tablespoon of oregano. And because I forgot, it's actually 2 cans of water and 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. We're going to go ahead and give this a really good mix. And we're going to set this to the side. After a few minutes and our meatballs have begun to sear, we're going to go ahead and shut off the heat. We're going to go ahead and pour in our tomato sauce that we've made. Then we're going to go ahead and cover this. And we're going to pop it in our oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. And at that point, I'll bring you back. Alright, y'all. After about 45 minutes, I've pulled mine out. They're done. Now, you can go ahead and serve this up on some rice, some pasta. My personal go-to is I'm going to be serving them up on some mashed potatoes. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.